In this video, we're going to walk through one of our very exciting new listings. I'm George Moulos from E-commerce Brokers, and we've been helping people build, buy, and sell online businesses now for over a decade. We're going to walk through the pros and cons of our new e-commerce motorcycle apparel listing. We're going to walk through what's interesting about it, what's good about it, what's bad about it, and also the deal itself. And of course, you can learn more about the business on our website, ecommercebrokers.com, which is in our description. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off by being completely honest. I am biased with this business. Not just am I, of course, looking to sell it as part of my business, brokering, but I actually am a customer of this business. It's a motorcycle apparel brand. I ride a motorcycle. I have a pair of their gloves right here. It's a great quality and I personally love it. So I am biased here. This is a good listing and I'm biased. But let's get into more about the business itself. So the business is a very well-known brand, especially in Europe, but across the street racer and cafe racer niche in the motorcycle industry. Now, it has a cult following. It is a bona fide member of the motorcycle apparel industry. The business is based in Spain, in Barcelona, and was started in 2012, but became fully operational as a high-quality, stylish clothing brand in 2018 with all of its innovations and modern tech. So in 2018 is when it really kicked off and started to really actually make a lot of money. The brand has achieved a revenue of roughly $2 million in 2022 and a net profit of around $240,000 in 2022. A great thing about this business is that its growth is very stable. In 2018, sales were 196,000 euro. In 2019, sales were 739,000 euro. In 2020, the sales were 935,000 euro. And in 2021, they grew to 1.9 million euro, of course, with the COVID e-commerce boom. Let's answer some big questions right off the bat. So the business is based in Spain, but they don't just sell to Spain or Europe, they sell worldwide. They actually ship out of Spain for Europe and ship out of the US for American customers. The e-commerce portion of the business accounts for 36% of the overall sales of the business, sold through the Shopify site. And it has grown, the e-commerce side of the business has grown 30% year on year. 67% of these online sales come from the EU and 22% of the online sales come from the USA. The business has really extensive retail and wholesale sales throughout stores and dealers in all of Europe. Now that's a big thing to note with this listing. It is so far, not a vast majority, but a majority retail and wholesale sales at the moment. The e-commerce portion of the business as a proportion of total sales is growing over time, and that's really, I believe, the future and the potential that's in this business, as does the seller and owner himself. However, the wholesale and the retail is a very stable part of the business. As you can imagine, it's much more stable than the e-commerce side, even though the e-commerce side is really where the potential is. With that being said, this acquisition really is best suited for a US buyer who has the funds to not just buy the business, but also scale out the marketing and e-commerce side of the business, which is, generally speaking, has been lacking in the last few years. The quality of the brand's products, customer service, shipping, website, UI, UX is amazing. I mean, I've never actually seen a brand that we've listed or any other brokerages listed that has such a high quality across the board. And that's why they have a 25% returning customer rate. The brand is highly defensible with an in-house designer for all of their products and of course trademarks. The seller is looking to exit in 2023. We have our price, we have a whole page dedicated to giving you some information on the listing. And of course you can submit your details on ecommerce-brokers.com, link in the description below, to get all that information, to see the domain, to check out the brand, and of course to book a call with me or my team or the seller himself. If you know someone who might be interested in acquiring this brand, we have a referral commission. So if you refer them, we'll give you 15% of as the broker, our commission. So in that way, you get paid, we get paid, everyone gets paid, and a great deal gets done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below if you'd like to see more listings from e-commerce brokers, or if you're interested in building, buying, and selling online businesses. If you are looking to buy an online business, just like this one, you can go to our website and check out our buy-side program, Elite Acquirers, and book a call with our team to see how we can best service your acquisition needs. Now, I'd like to hear your take on this. What do you think about this business? What do you think some of the pros and cons are? Are you interested in it? What are your questions? Leave them in the description below and I'll have my team answer them. Let's get to it.